video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey guys, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a most advanced admin menu script for our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which you are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. So this is the demo admin panel over here. As you can see, these are some demo players blip over here. And these are the options you get on every player. Before purchasing it, you can explore this demo panel. Now scroll down over here. The script will cost you around 55 euros. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. Now we have to extract the file into our FiveM resources. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Go to SQL. Now open the SQL in the head SQL. Select your server, then click on run. Now open the config folder, then config.json. So this is the configuration of the script over here. In the owner section, you can provide your license ID, your FiveM ID or your Discord ID to identify the owner in the admin menu. So I'll be providing my Discord ID over here, just like this. Now here you have to add your server's name. The notification system is going to be auto. You can select it according to your preference. In the inventory, I'll be changing the QB inventory to aux inventory. You can configure it according to the inventory which you are using. Just like this. This is the location for the aux inventory. Now scroll down over here. Here you will find some commands for the admin menu. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now open the api.json. Over here you have to provide your FiveManage ID. For that, open the FiveManage. The link will be in the description below. After that, click on get started. After that, you have to log in the FiveManage with your Discord. Here you have to create a new team. So this is my team which is already created over here. After that, go to API keys. Here you have to create a new key. For that, click on create token. Then give it a name. So I'll be giving it a name of Luxu. After that, click on token type and select it for media. Then click on create token. After that, copy it from here. Then paste it over here. Just like this. So this is the configuration for Discord bot. Through this configuration, you will get the admin logs on your Discord channel. So I'll be keeping it default for now. Now copy the name of the admin menu. Now open the server.cfg, then ensure it over here. Just like this. Now open the documentation of the script. The link will be in the description below. Over here, you have to copy these line of codes. Then go to server.cfg, then paste it above all other resources. So I'll be pasting it over here. Just like this. Now scroll down over here, open the web panel, then click on this link which is over here. Now you will redirect to the luxu.app website. Here you have to click on go to dashboard, then click on get started. Here you have to create a team. For that, click on create a team. Here you have to provide your Tebex transaction ID. So I'll be pasting my ID over here. After that, click on continue to details. Here you have to write your team name. So I'll be writing Zexus. Now here you can choose the server's logo, so I'll be keeping it default for now. After that, click on create team. So a team has been created now. Now again open the web panel's documentation, then copy this line of code, then paste it over here on the server.cfg. Now for the API key, go to Luxu teams, click on settings, then copy the API key from here, then paste it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default admin script from the resource. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. Now to open the admin panel, we have to type /admin. So as you can see, this is the admin panel which we have installed into our FiveM server. So over here you can select the dark mode. And this is the whole Los Santos map over here. And this is my blip over here as you can see. As you can see, these are the options which we get. So I've got the hello message over here. And there are some more options over here. You can go through and explore them. This is a section to change the weather. So the weather has been updated now as you can see. So these are the options for players. You will get the list of all the players available in the server. This is the section for monitoring. You can see multiple monitors at same time. Over here, you can create groups for admin permissions. For that, click on this plus icon. Over here, you have to give a name. So I'll be giving a name of admin. Then label. After that, you can select the permissions for this particular role. As you can see, there are lots of options over here. You can select the options as you like. After everything is done, click on create group. So the group of admin has been created over here. So for example, if I want to change my group, I'll be simply click on edit. Then I can change the group from here. Now come to this website over here, then click on open admin panel. So as you can see, for the owner of the admin can access the admin panel through his browser. Now if we type /Luxu, we will get a smaller version of the admin panel over here. And there are lots of options over here. And there are much more options over here for this admin panel. You can explore them after purchasing it. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.